If you haven't made the money you wanted to make with the Amazon Associates program, or you didn't get accepted into the Amazon Influencer program, this free course is for you. I've partnered with a millionaire and have also invested into them $1,000 courses to develop this free course that reveals the secrets of how the gurus are making multiple sales a day with this system. I'm going to give you an inside look at the Amazon Associates Income Blueprint course, and on your days off from your 9 to 5, you can have your business set up using ClickFunnels, adding an autoresponder for unstoppable communication and marketing, securing the perfect domain, and mastering the art of driving both organic and paid traffic with the help of AI. Here we are inside the free course, the Amazon Affiliate Income Blueprint, where I'm going to give you the secrets on mastering the art of link placement inside of ebooks. Now, I believe this is the best way to promote your Amazon affiliate links instead of what most people tell you to do, is to tell them to hit the link in your bio or send them to your Amazon storefront. This way, you can give them something of value like a free ebook where you can put multiple links to different products to help people on their journey, no matter what it is, depending on what your niche is. But I'm gonna go through all that. Now, in the first module, it's just a welcome. It's a video of me. You see that ugly mug right there. And then in the second module, I'm gonna break down what the system is. So let's take a look at that. Now, this is how the system works, guys. It's really simple. I'm gonna explain to you how the system works. Now, basically, what the system is, you're getting a digital product like an ebook, a planner, or a guide or something like that, and you're gonna host it inside of ClickFunnels, which is a web page with funnels, right? And through the system, through the modules, I'm gonna show you how to set that up and why it's important. Now, once you get that all set up, then you want to come up with ideas for TikTok videos, and then you're gonna repurpose them on different platforms like YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, and also Instagram Reels. And then from there, you're gonna send them to your website where you're gonna collect their emails, where you can send out different emails to them, nurturing your audience more so they can like, know, and trust you. And also you can offer different products through your email marketing. People don't really teach that, right? If they do teach it, they charge you for it. That's why I created this course, because I know there's a lot of people out there that want to know how the rules are doing it without paying a lot of money. Now, from the emails, you can send them to a Facebook group where you can nurture them more. And then once they know, like, and trust you even more, you can create different digital products and also make more money like that. But I'm gonna break that down more to you in the module. So let's get into it. Now, in the setup, this is the setup, how you set up your business. We're going to need Namecheap. This is your www, the Stripe account where you can receive credit card and debit card payments. Aweber is your autoresponder, and ClickFunnels is your web page with funnels. And I'm going to show you how to do all that through all the sequences, through all the modules, how to set up Aweber, Expert Secrets. I love these books. This guy is very cool at what he does. His name is Russell Brunson. I'm going to give you some books you can read and the 5-day challenge. I'm going to teach you about Canva, also Chat GPT. This is AI. This is very, very important to marketing and also your sales process. Now, if you don't want to write your ebook inside of Canva, I'm going to show you how AI can do it within just 5 minutes. Give you great information on how not to get banned with Amazon Associates, some do's and don'ts, how to find trending products with Google Trends, how to connect your domain inside of ClickFunnels. Now, each one of these steps, if you go step by step, you can get this done within a day or two on your days off from your 9 to 5. I'm going to show you how to put your product inside of ClickFunnels, how to add your digital products, sell your products in ClickFunnels, how to connect your Aweber, your Stripe account, how to create AI content, right? How to do your emails, send out emails, everything that you need in Aweber, a daily routine that you need to do for marketing and also sales. I got a whole video on that. And also how to do paid ads, organic ads, and also repurposing tools. I got a special gift for you guys too as well. If you act now and just want to, take charge of your financial freedom, I have a Facebook group where you can join. I'm gonna answer any question that you may have. And also there's another Infinite Passive Income. It's a free course for affiliate marketers. If you want the free course, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. Rock, Future Millionaire. Checking out. Peace.